Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a $1,000 YouTube thumbnail for your faceless automation channel. You can see this image you're seeing, this thumbnail you're seeing on my screen right now. This is 100% generated using AI. You don't need to edit anything. With just a simple prompt that I'm going to be showing you, I'm giving you right now, you can go ahead and start generating thumbnail like this, and you can start selling thumbnail like this on Fiverr.com, where you can be charging from people. You can be charging them $100 to $200 above. This is professional. This is what the likes of Mr. Beast are paying $1,000 for. I'm telling you guys right now. Look at how detailed this thing is. I didn't even tell this AI to give me this much details, but this AI, because it's so smart and it's so cool, it went on and generate these beautiful, bright, bold, and colorful YouTube thumbnail for me. You can see how cool this is. Look at the title, look at the fonts that I use, look at the text color that I use. Popping, the colors are popping, the text are bright color that I can easily see from afar. Look at how he listed the food in this year from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All the foods are listed in this beautiful thumbnail that you are seeing here right now. And you can also see the before and after, and you can see this lady also pointing down to this. You can see arrow just being structuring everything, pointing down to where they are supposed to be pointing. Beautiful thumbnail. Everything is so amazing, guys. Man, drop it down in the comment section below right now. Let me know, how much do you think thumbnail like this is worth, or how much can you pay for thumbnail like this? But that is so details. Look at the food that are coming out right now, and I've not even upscaled this image right now. If I upscale it, it's going to be more sharper than what you're seeing here right now. This is just what the AI generated for me. So guys, this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video right now. I also have a couple of more. Look at this one too. This one too is generated using the same that I'm going to be showing you right now. Look at how deep, look at how details all these things are. Look at how cool, look at how sharp these things, look at how beautiful they are, guys. Let me show you one more. Look at this one too. Look at how cool all of this are, guys, man. So this is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So let's jump right into the AI. And the AI we're going to be using is what you already know, is ChatGPT, man, guys, man. Some of you don't even know that ChatGPT is this powerful, guys, and you don't need to pay a dime to do this. ChatGPT can literally do this for you for free, guys, man. You can see this is just a simple prompt I gave this AI that you're seeing here right now, and you can see what it gave me. Beautiful thumbnail. And I'm not cool with this because you can tell it to edit the image for you. It still went ahead and give me the image in more ways. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So I'm just going to be pasting these right here. Let me take this one out right here. So I'm just going to be pasting. I want you to give me another thumbnail for another video that I need to upload right now. So you can see this is the title of the thumbnail, and I just, with all of these prompt that I'm giving it that is not even correct, it's not even right, but this AI is still so smart and it's going to give me something good. So I've not done this before aside from this other one. So let's see how cool this thumbnail that is going to generate for me, how cool it's going to be, man, guys. I just click send right now. So guys, I'm telling you, with thumbnail like this, you can go sign up on upwork.com, go sign up on freelancer.com, go sign up on peopleperhour.com website. These are all the freelancer website out there, including Fiverr, and you can start selling services like this that will take you. Man, guys, I'm telling you, you're gonna see how many, if it's gonna even be up to a minute, that this thumbnail is gonna be generated for us, guys. It's not even gonna be up to a minute, and you can collect tens or hundreds of dollars from doing this for people, guys. Man, this is so cool. Man, guys, you imagine, let's assuming you have a thumbnail like this on your, you have a thumbnail like this one or like this one on your Fiverr profile picture. Imagine me how many gig this is going to be getting you on a daily basis, because people attention to come and patronize you and to come and give you the job just for you to do. And with thumbnail, anybody, once you get one client can keep paying you year in, year out, and all that. So that's what you need to do right now, guys. So look at this one that I just generated for us also right now, guys. Man, I'm telling you, this AI is amazing, guys. Man, look at this. I'm gonna copy this right now so I can save it. Let's download the image right now. Let's download it and see it on a full screen, just like this one you're seeing. You're gonna rate all these images for me right now. Rate this image for me, rate this one for me, and rate this one for me, because this AI generated all of them one after the other. So we click download right here, then we'll come to our folder to see if it's done downloading. Once it's done downloading, then we're just going to we're just going to label it right there. Look at another thumbnail that I just generated for this my channel. You're gonna see the thumbnail on my channel right now. So um the thumb the it's not done generating, but it's gonna be done in a minute right now. So let's just wait for it. Let's click on download again. I don't know why it's taking time, if it's the internet or what. So, but this is already looking good. I had 1,000, I had 1,500 calories a day, feeling full, volume eating. So it's downloading already right now. So let's come right here. Let's click here. Let's see our image. So we're going to open it so bold right now so we can see what it looks like in the bold screen. This is taking so much time, but we're going to. Okay, guys, so here is the thumbnail that we generated, guys. Tell me this is not beautiful enough, guys, man. Look at how cool, look at all the details. This is going to attract people to click this video and just want to check out this, as you're seeing it right here. So look at this, look at how details it. Look at this, she's pointing right here. Look at only 1,005 calories. Everything I ate. Look at the details. Dinner 350 calories, snack 230 calories, lunch 420 calories, breakfast 380 calories, and all that like that. Look at everything, details, and I love the way the color is so bright and so popping, man. This is the professional thumbnail that is worth $1,000 right now, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not even kidding. Let's go down right. Let's go right now. Let's go upload this on my channel. So this is where we need to be uploading the video. So come with me right now. Let's upload this video right now to this channel. Let's upload it. Just stay with me to the end of this video. So change the title right here. Change the title. We'll come right here. We'll put the title here also. Also, these are just simple SEO that we need to do, guys. You need to learn all these things I'm doing. So come right here. Click here to upload the image. Click right there to upload the image, the thumbnail. I mean, so just come right here. Okay, the thumbnail did not change. Let's try and see if we can still change it. I don't know if we can. I don't know why it can change. Let's see if we can change now. Okay, we can change now. So let's upload it. Let's change this playlist. Let's change the weight loss. So like that. Let's come right here. Let's come right here. No. Click no right there. There's a reason why we click no. So we can leave this. You can leave this keyword right. We can leave this right here. You can just type calorie right there. You can also say feeling full, feeling full right there. You can just have eating. Just have titles like that in the thumbnail. I ate. You can have ate to ate. So that's just basically it. Once we leave that, you can change all this if you want to, but I always take this out. Publish to subscribers feed and notification. I don't want it to do that. So that is it, guys. So you can just come right here and click on next. So once you click next, this is where we turn on our ad. Turn on the ad right now. In case you don't know, I just did a video where I show you how to manage your ad, which is where you click here to add mid-add row. You add multiple mid-add row in your inside your video. So you can see multiple ads. So automatically this video I've added um ad inside this video, one ad, two ad, three ad inside the video. Normally where it's supposed to just have one at the beginning and one at the end, but now it's having three in the middle. So that's it. So since it's added already, so we just go to the next page right here. Then here you need to read all this to see if your video is suitable for ad. So me, I've always read all of this one before now, so I don't need to read it now, but you can make sure you read it and then just click here after you fill everything to say submit rating. You just want to know that your video is suitable for advert. So just come here and click on next. Once you click next, if you have a product, add your product. This is your subtitle. If you want to subtitle, my video already has subtitle. So add an end screen. This is another thing we do. Add an end screen so that we use this opportunity to promote our other video. That's what we do right here. So we use this to promote the other video. So once we have that, we also add card to it. The card is the thumbnail we know playlist we normally add, so that we can use this to promote our playlist also. So that's what we do. So we do that right here. Then this quiz is new, so we're not gonna add it right now. Maybe we'll try later. Copyright, no copyright issue, no issue found. So we'll just go to the next page right here. Then this is if you want to put the video on private, if you want to unlist it, if you want to make it to go public right now. But I think I'm not going to make it go public right now. This is 5:21 p.m. in America. So let's do the next day right now. Let's do 12 p.m. 12 a.m. American time. So let's just click on schedule right there. So it's going to go on in the next about 7 hours, which is 12 a.m. American time. So just close this, and that's it for this video, guys. And let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.